Yeah. Oh my god. You literally like
I like tried to fake fall and actually fell.
Start running. That's pretty dope.
Yeah, that was fun.
Woo!
Oh, that feels so good.
Oh, that was close. You think you can run up this?
No,
Let's try to find a way to run up it.
I'm getting soaked now. I got this one.
Here, let me try one more time. You got my mind working. It's tough. All right, hold on. Go again. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna go to a little bit to the left of you, so do it again. Go ahead. It feels kind of good getting wet.
That feels great, dude.
All right. Oh shit, it got you. All right, we can't get up there. We give up. That was worth a try though. You hit your foot? Yeah. I almost slipped off too. We went around the whole West Coast, you know, now we're back here.
Yeah.
Back here, kind of where it started. Back home. Yeah, I like that. We are back home. Let's go see our friend.
Where was that cabin that we stayed in?
Washington?
That was pretty sick.
Washington one was sick.
Washington and Oregon were both pretty sick.
I did like Oregon a lot.
Montana, I need to go back there. I need a more thorough investigation of that.
Montana, Idaho, I could do without. I'm down to go check it out again, but
I think even Idaho deserves a chance too. They got like some shit there. They got like Yellowstone or some shit.
some lava rocks.
Yeah, those lava rocks are sick. I really like those. What's
Hey.
up, dude? Looking good.